Hey, good looking. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kendra Morgan Official if you're new here, and I like to put out content weekly centered around makeup brushes that aren't Morphe, single eyeshadows, and some sunscreen. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But today I have a special featured video, and it is over 10-day lashes, Moite Cosmetics Lashes. I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply these lashes. I'll give you guys 1, 3, and 5 day check-ins, and I want to go through what exactly comes in a kit when you order it as well. Let's get started. So Moite Cosmetics asked me to do this for them. They sent this in PR, so just wanting to be 100% transparent with you that I did receive these in PR, or I did receive these. I didn't pay for them. I will say that the the second set that I ordered, I did have to pay for, and that was purely all on me. But we'll get into that in just a moment. I want to get started with what came in the PR kit, and you guys can take a look. I received 3 sets of lashes. I received the LA lashes and the I think they're called Paris lashes. I received, I think they're called Natural Glam lashes, but they didn't have anything on them. A lash adhesive, so you'll get some, what do they call it? They call it the 10-day super lash bond. And then I also got in my kit the 10-day super lash seal to go with it. You also want to make sure that you pick up some lash glue removal so that your lashes can be safely removed, and that came with my kit as well. And then I also got a little sachet with some makeup wipe removers to make sure that all my makeup was off before I went ahead and applied the lashes. I will say this is my second application, so I won't say I'm a pro at it, but I will say I know what not to do. Let's put it that way. Speaking of lashes and making sure that we get them on correctly, take a look. It's day 2. I feel like it's my civic duty to create this video. This side looks good. Not so much. Where could it be? Okay, so you guys can see sometimes if you don't apply the lashes correctly, then you can have some difficulty. So make sure you put your lashes on correctly, and I'm going to show you guys that as so. Before we head on over to the lash application, I kind of want to give you guys a history of Moite lashes, and I'll give you guys some pictures of the PR kit that I received, as well as the kit that I bought online, and I believe it's called the refill kit, so you guys can pick that up as well. Moite Cosmetics was founded by Seema Mosbacher, a computer engineer who went on to become the world's youngest female commercial pilot at the age of 20 years old. While Seema was enrolled in the airline pilot training program, she relied on salons for semi-permanent makeup techniques to shortcut her busy routine. After continual use, she started to experience enormous natural lash and brow fallout. I created my lashes to give women a real solution that they could apply at home, she says, to feel instantly glamorous without spending hours at the salon, and wear confidently for 10 plus days without worrying about mascara, running, or the hassle of reapplying lashes daily. These lashes have changed my life. I hope they'll change yours too. She signs Seema. Moitié actually means, it's a French word meaning other half, and it is their belief that through enhancing your already natural, beautiful self, you do not need to change yourself to be attractive to others. True beauty comes from within. So that's kind of a nice little motto that they have lived on. So this is really just a great lash program for people who are on the go. I know for me, myself, and I'm looking kind of for a semi-permanent solution because I want to just be able to get on camera and kind of showcase you guys some stuff. I know I have started doing some live streams, so it'd be kind of nice to be able to get on camera and just roll with it instead of, okay, now I got to take 5 and do some lashes. So I'm extremely excited to use these. And if you're extremely excited to use them too, you can get your next set 15% off. So use code Kendra15 and that's going to save you guys some money. It is an affiliate, so just being 100% transparent, it is an affiliate. So if you use it, I will make a commission off of it. So just to let you know. And I probably am not going to mention these ever again. I will just drop the link down below. And if you guys ask me about them, I'll just tell you that that's what they are, you know? So, and if you want to use my link, feel free to. And if you don't, that's fine. There's other codes out there. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to apply these lashes in depth. Let's get up right nice and tight. And I'm going to show you guys how to apply the Moite 10-day lashes. Check it out. So just got the natural ones right here. Looky, my nails match. You likey? So basically I'm just going to go ahead and gently lift off these. So it should be how this looks smaller. Okay, so this is the right eye and this is the left eye. Okay, right, left. Because this is actually the outer corner. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but the outer corner. But this is the right and this is the left. So let's hope I don't, you know, with all this. So I've got my lash applicator right here, and then also what's really important is that I'm going to keep this really handy to wipe off any excess glue, because the first time around, I don't know if I got that footage saved or not, but if you guys didn't see it, that was a catastrophe. And I had to order another set of lashes. You probably already heard that though. Peel them off gently like that. There's my glue. So they state to put these on from the outside in, and then they also want you to add glue to your lashes first, this bonding agent to your lashes first, which I'm not really comfortable doing. I tried it the first time and it gets really goopy, plus this touching your lashes to me seems a little like unfair in the sanitary world. Let's just go ahead and add some glue to this lash right here, and I'm just gonna add like enough. I'm gonna have a mirror, so if it gets in the way, I do apologize, but I'm gonna try my best to keep it down here and look down and then just apply. But I'm not going to apply too far out because last time I didn't and it really drug my eye down. So I'm gonna do it just right, maybe a couple of lashes. Okay, see that? And then you're going to press the lash on gently. That's why you need to be able to wipe this off in between, because that glue will cause the next bunch to stick, and then you won't, they'll rip right off and stay onto this. So just make sure, if you want to make this a 5 or a 10-minute process, like, you will listen to me. I'm just kidding. No, but really, it can be a little difficult. It can be kind of cumbersome. I would give yourself like 30 minutes to an hour to apply these lashes. Applied some right there. And I did a pretty good wad for this second one just because it is quite a bit thicker. And again, oh, these look so much better. They look natural. The other ones looked really great, but they're not beginner friendly, so. Oopsie. Alright, no big deal. Just make sure you grab the lash again, reapply the glue, get it off of your fingers. It's a bit cumbersome the first time around, but I promise if you start out with some natural lashes first off, and then second off, if once you've been doing it a couple times around, you can get it to work just fine. It's not a problem. Okay, see how that stuck? The reason that stuck is because my lash applicator had some glue in it. So always, always, always make sure you wipe that sucker down on your makeup wipe to get any of that glue off. and then just let it sit for a couple of seconds while you get the next one ready to go. And this has like kind of almost like a Velcro piece right here that holds this lash band onto. So what I do is I just take a roll of it right there like that. And just roll it up. I don't know if this is supposed to get tacky before you put it on. I don't know. Gauge that. Okay, my hand's in the way, but I gotta fix this lash. Okay, there we go. Oh, I want to mess with it so bad, but I'm just gonna let it sit. We're gonna try that one again. I did not get very much glue. I'm just gonna do the inside one, which is a little bit smaller of a piece, but you can see how it looks. I can't really see. It looks a little too high up there. Whatever. We got them on. I might have been able to go out just a smidge farther, but again, like I said, if you go out too far, then what ends up happening is it like really drags your eye downwards. So I just really erred on the side of too high rather than too low. But next time. That is it. That is one side complete and one side without lashes. And I'm going to go ahead and finish off camera my other lashes, and I will see you guys on the other side. Let's go ahead and do some wear tests. So let's check in on the day 3. I'm just going to do a 1, 3, and a 5 day, and I'll probably go ahead and take them off after the 5th day unless we're doing really good. So here is the 3-day wear test. Check it out. Okay, we are on day 3, and I haven't done any makeup or anything for today or anything like that, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what this all looks like right now. So you can see there's some segments missing. I mean, that's pretty apparent. So I lost one last night in the shower. So I was able to capture it to put it on today. But then, oopsie, I lost another one in my sleep. So unfortunately now they all have to be taken off. I don't know what I did differently this time. I mean, I will say they stayed for 3 days, so I'm pretty thankful for that. But I did do 48 hours without showering like the instructions say to do. And I still lost segments. I'm not 100% sure that this glue is, you know, long lasting. Maybe I just don't put enough on, but I really felt like I coated the lashes pretty good. You can see in the application process, I mean, I put a good glob of glue on, so I think I'll either go downstairs and add new ones or maybe just go ahead and take off the lashes completely. Unfortunately, so there won't be a 5-day check-in. This will be it, more than likely. If I'll go and search my bed, and then if I find it, I'll clean that lash segment up and sanitize it and put it back on, and then you will see a 5-day segment. But if not, this is it, kind of the end. I mean, all right, there you have it, guys. So I gave you guys the PR kit of what was gifted to me. I also showed you guys a picture of the kit that I bought. It's called the refill kit, and you can have your choice of natural, light, glam, and many of the other packages that are there for you guys. You guys can see that I was wearing some of those today. I have those on today. All right, that is it. So there you have it, the full-on 10-day lash review. I'm really excited to be a part of this and have received these in PR. So thanks again so much, Moite Cosmetics, for you guys making this video possible for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!